Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We have a project here, it's a high Yasmin. You can see it's a spa. We have here 5 megapixel in camera. Let's see the all cameras. Let's see the all cameras. Here our technician already started to install the Audi camera. It's a bullet 5 mega with 2.8 mm. We have outside total 4 cameras. In these places we have 3 and other sides we have 1. The cable already pulled through the glasses to put the glasses to back off. Okay, so you can see the camera here. Let's see inside what's happening. So here our technicians trying to get the cable from outside through the drilling. So we have to make the one hole, which is 14 mm.
محمد هذا كاميرا صوت ها واحد كاميرا.
You can see the monitor. We are trying to remove the plastic cover from the monitor. Our technician needs also to install the monitor as soon as possible. And then we can see we have one more camera in the corridors. This camera also controlling full corridor. This is in the dome. 5 mega bullet with 2.8 mm. Here monitor almost done to install. So now adjusting the monitor. And here all the cables will be connected with our receiver. So I will let you know all the cameras one by one. We already installed it. So here is the full 5 camera with 8 megapixel receiver up to 8 mega, and our camera all are 5 megapixel. Let's see one by one. We have here cashier camera. This is the one cashier camera you can see. So next one. Here it's a corridor camera for the second floor. Let's see another one. This is the one of outdoor, controlling all the vehicles in parking. So one more. Here you can see the camera for also outdoor vehicle parkings. Next one. Okay, this is also the ground floor corridor. Next one. So I will show you now one of them. The cashier one is with inbuilt mic, so you can see the record is happening. So let's see the record. So I will show you only the one camera, which is the record with the sound. So this is the one. You see there is a voice, so it's a recording with a mic. So this camera only controlling counter, and it has a inbuilt mic. It will make the record the picture and the voices. So guys, let's see the full all cameras. So see you with the next location, next project. Have a nice day. Bye for today.